Here's how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. To get started, select the cells or data range where you want to apply the formatting. Next, go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. You can choose Highlight Cells rules to format cells that meet certain conditions, such as values greater than a specific number, duplicate values, or text that contains certain words. You can also use top, bottom rules to highlight the highest or lowest values in your data, or choose data bars, color scales, and icon sets to visually represent your data. After selecting a rule, enter any required values and choose the formatting style you want. Then click OK to apply the formatting. Excel will automatically update the formatting whenever your data changes, helping you quickly analyze and understand your information. That's it. You've successfully used conditional formatting in Excel. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel